Is high-ticket affiliate marketing legit? Today's video is all about whether or not high-ticket affiliate marketing is the right pathway for you to take and whether it is or is not a legit business model. Catch you guys right after this. Welcome back, guys. My name's Jamie. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, digital ad strategist, also a coach for a program with over 600 students. We've recently won the ClickFunnels 2 Club Award for that, which has been an absolute honor. Just waiting for the plaque to arrive any moment now. Can't wait. Anyway, with all that being said, today's video is all about whether or not high-ticket affiliate marketing is a legit business model. If that's of interest to yourself and perhaps you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing in general, feel free to hit the subscribe button and let's crack on with it. So anyway, what is high-ticket affiliate marketing? Let's address that first and foremost. So high-ticket affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's products where the commission that you get paid for bringing a new customer to a vendor is $500 or $1,000 or sometimes as much as 5, 10, 15, 20K, depending on the types of products that you're promoting. So that is high ticket. It means that you're bringing in more revenue into your business as an affiliate for making those sales. Now, before I get into the details of whether or not it is legit, which it certainly is, that's the short answer in case you're wondering, I'm going to explain, I guess, some of the types of products that you can promote and the differences between low ticket affiliate products and high ticket and recurring products as well. So starting with the high ticket stuff, tell you guys a little story. Back in the day, not that long ago, in a land far, far away. Well, actually it wasn't, it's pretty close to where I live, and it was where I'm living right now. Actually, it's not that far away at all. Anyway, the point being is that I was a struggling affiliate marketer. I've been doing it for around about 7 years at that stage, and although I'd managed to build up a agency and I did pretty well with that, I was trying to transition my business back into affiliate marketing. So what I did is what most affiliates do, and I jumped onto Google and typed in how to make money online, do all the thing. And because I'd already been doing it in the background, I thought, I'll just continue doing the stuff that I thought was working at the time. And what I was essentially doing is selling low ticket affiliate products that were digital. And that is my specialty, is digital products. I highly recommend that over physical products just because there's less, more margin, you make more per sale. The margins and the commission rates, I should say, for digital products are sometimes as high as 100%, which is kind of cool, right? So anyway, I was selling low ticket products and making $7, $12, $20 per sale. I was doing okay. I made some money. I got traction. I was learning. I was in the trenches. I was doing the thing. And it was exciting. I enjoyed the process, but I kept capping out a certain income. It was around about $1,200 to $1,500 a month. And I just couldn't work out, what am I doing wrong? Like, why is it that I keep doing the same things and nothing changes? I keep working harder. I keep putting more content out there. Nothing really changes. What the hell is going on? And it wasn't until I got some advice, and the advice was basically simplify your business, stop doing all those other 150 different things that you're trying to do every day, concentrate on a couple of core things that you can repeat every single day, and most of all, focus on high ticket products that are going to pay you at least $1,000 per sale. And when I did, I was like, all right, fine, whatever, you win, I'll try it. And within 7 days, I had my first $1,000 day online. The very next day, I had another $1,000 day online. And I later went on to have my first $10,000 month. And needless to say, it's kind of blown up ever since. So why is that relevant? Well, I was doing the same work. In fact, I was actually doing less work than I was when I was doing the low ticket stuff. And I was making considerably more. And I all of a sudden understood that when you are dealing with people that are willing to invest in themselves, it's a completely different ball game altogether. I think a lot of the time when people buy into low ticket affiliate products in particular, they have a weird expectation that somehow this $7 product or $12 or $100 product is going to be the thing that comes in and absolutely categorically changes their life. And they don't understand that there's a ton of work that goes in behind that. Maybe that's the starting point. Maybe it is something that is going to impact them and help them out. But maybe, just maybe, they're not really taking it serious like a business. They're just looking for tactics to make a little bit of cash. And once they learn how to make the cash, then they'll work on the mindset and all the stuff, and then they'll treat it like a business. But I just need to make sure that it works first. However, if you're dealing with people that are willing to invest in themselves and they're putting their stuff on the line, shall we say, and they are going full steam ahead into whatever it is, and they're investing, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 in order to jump into a particular program, they're taking it a lot more serious. And in my experience, they're the people that have less problems. They're not asking for refunds because the thing didn't promise the world and didn't deliver. Their expectations are met. They are happy with the value that they're provided, and they understand that this is business, and business sometimes has its ups and downs, and they're usually just better clientele to deal with. That is high ticket affiliate marketing. That is why I see it as a very legit business model. Like I say, I wanted to cover the other low ticket and recurring stuff as well really quickly. So if you're new to this whole realm in terms of affiliate marketing, you can also promote recurring income products, because a lot of people will say, hey, I want to get recurring income because I want the passive income. I want to have maybe 10 or 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 sales. And then once I do, I'm going to go and retire to the Bahamas and live this amazing life and just have the passive income come in forever. Thank you, please and thank you. That's amazing. Anyway, so there is an issue with that. And yes, there are outliers. There are people that have made incredible success out of recurring products, and they've made a whole bunch of money, and a lot of that comes in passively month after month, and they're living the dream. However, that is not the norm. That is not the norm. And what tends to happen with a lot of these products is someone will jump into something that has a recurring element to it. They might stay on for 3 months, might stay on for 1 month, might stay on for 5 months. As a general rule, I understand there's outliers, I get that. But that might be the average, right? So then it means that the lifetime customer value of that person that stays with that recurring product might only be, say $30 a month times 5, for argument's sake, $150 lifetime value. So sure, you're getting $30 a month. You're like, yeah, life is great. And then they cancel, their credit card expires, they never think to upgrade. All that stuff happens, right? But if you made $150 over X number of months, cool, that's good on you. However, still doesn't equate to the lifetime value of a high ticket customer who has transacted and you've made $1,000 per sale, right? Hopefully that makes sense. In fact, that person at that rate, and I don't even know the mathematics on the back of that, but let's assume it's at least 20, 30 months, over 30, 33 months, in fact, 34 months in order to equate to one high ticket sale. One. Kind of crazy when you think about it like that, right? Now, conversely, here's what tends to happen. This is not something most people actually bother to mention when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing, is that when you're starting out, it doesn't matter how good you are at sales, doesn't matter how good your content is, you're probably not going to make a high ticket sale every single day when you're starting out, when you're just building your audience, right? So what tends to happen is on Monday, you might not make anything. Tuesday, you don't make a high ticket sale and you're like, okay, well, fine. Wednesday might roll around and you maybe make a high ticket sale and you think, yeah, this is awesome. So then the question is, well, how do you serve your audience on those other days? And that is where you have a low ticket product. Something that pays you $100, $50, $100 and $150, whatever, plus a recurring thing. Maybe you got that as well. And then from that, you've now got an offset. So you've got a high ticket product that you focus on, you've got a couple of low tickets and a recurring, and it means that you've got a balanced portfolio overall, right? Hopefully that all makes sense. And that is how, especially as you're starting out, how over a sustained period you're going to build up your portfolio. Now, this is just one way of doing it, of course. There's a bunch of other ways, and a lot of people will be going, well, I love low tickets, and cool, yeah, good, kudos to you. But I still highly recommend everyone adds a high ticket affiliate product, because they are legit. They are legit. There's a whole bunch of them out there. If you want to learn more about the one I'm involved in, the one I'm actually a coach for, there's a link below. It's going to take you through to a free case study where I go through some of the stuff and the myths and the bad stuff in affiliate marketing. And there's an option to book in a call with myself if you're interested in really taking your affiliate marketing to the next level and beyond in this year and beyond as well. So anyway, on that note, my name's Jamie. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Smash that like button, drop any comments, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Cheers.